Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your console or PC has the latest firmware and that the game supports a second controller. Once done, power on the host device and ensure the spare controller has charge or fresh batteries. This prevents interruptions during pairing. Next, choose your connection method, wired via USB for instant recognition or Bluetooth if the host supports it. Keep the controller within a short range while pairing to avoid dropouts, and prepare a cable as a fallback. Now you perform the actual pairing and configuration. First, open the host's controller settings and select Add or Pair a device. This triggers discovery. For Bluetooth, hold the controller's pair button until the light blinks, then select it on screen. This establishes the wireless link. For USB, plug the cable in and wait for the system to install drivers and confirm the controller as player 2. Once connected, adjust button mapping, vibration, and aim sensitivity so both controllers match game expectations. Finish by testing the connection in a quick multiplayer lobby or calibration tool so you can verify inputs and latency. If you notice input lag or intermittent disconnects, make sure the controller firmware and host drivers are up to date. Then swap to a known good USB cable or reduce wireless interference by moving other devices away. If pairing fails completely, reset the controller using its Sync plus Options sequence and retry pairing. This clears stale pairings and often resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.